Hi, I'm Daniel. I'm going to read The Joy of Cooking. In my family, we often cook at home instead of eating out. This saves money, helps us eat healthy, and reduces food waste. This week, I helped my mother make glutinous rice balls. The ingredients are simple, just rice, flour, and water. I added water to the flour to blend them together, 3 parts, and kneaded it into dough. Then I divided the dough into small pieces and cooked them in good boiling water. They tasted soft and chewy. To my surprise, I was able to make them successfully. Through cooking, I feel happy and proud of myself. Thank you.